Hello and welcome to HT Smartcast. Today we're talking about a space that quietly affects every citizen, every business, and every government institution, but hardly ever makes it to the headlines. We talk a lot about digital India, fintech, e-commerce, AI. But there is one core system that decides how fair, efficient, and trustworthy a society feels. I'm talking about our justice and governance systems. And today we have with us a leader who's helping rewrite how justice is delivered in the digital age. Please welcome Ms. Mansi Omar, co-founder of Jupiter's Justice Technologies, the company behind the world's first justice technology platform that powers justice, legal, and governance operating systems for courts, governments, enterprises, and ADR institutions. Absolutely wonderful to have you in studio, Mansi. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Sarthak.
The obvious question first, we usually associate courts with the 80s and 90s movies and Sunny Deol saying "2.5 kilo ka haath," etc. But Jupiter's actually does something different. Jupiter's is a lot more. So what exactly does Jupiter's do and what is it?
Okay, so as we all have seen that movie, जिसमें 2.5 kilo का हाथ Sunny Deol, he didn't get the justice there, or he took a lot of time to get the justice because of not having a fast system.
Sure.
So what Jupiter's is doing, it gives you a ease, fast system, and you don't need to go to the courts to get the justice. You can sit on your place and you can have the justice at your doorstep. Mm-hmm. So if you have heard the Mr. Modi's slang, Har Ghar Nyay, justice for all, justice for every home. So we are trying to deliver his vision to every citizen.
Excellent. Justice usually ऐसा भी हो जाता है मानसी कि intimidating हो जाता है बहुत लोगों के लिए. The process sometimes becomes the punishment itself.
Right.
So what is your vision? What is the founder's vision for Jupiter's Justice?
Okay, so if we talk about Mr. Raman Agrawal, who is a chartered accountant, he's having 30 years of experience, and he's into some other domains as well, other than the justice. So he spent his 6 to 7 years just to study that domain from the scratch, the justice domain, with the help of the legal expertise and the domain expertise. So his vision is give a smooth flow for the justice, and so we can run the workflows for the government and legal system for the corporates, and every citizen should have a ease of justice. That is the founder vision.
और आई थिंक वो बहुत ज़रूरी भी है क्योंकि जस्टिस के साथ वो जो बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लैंग्वेज यूज़ होती है एंड शब्दों के जाल में फंसाने की जो बात होती है तो मानसी जुपिटर्स का लीगल प्रोसेसेस और जस्टिस की तरफ अप्रोच क्या है?
ओके, सो जुपिटर्स क्या करता है? जुपिटर्स लीगल, जस्टिस एंड गवर्नेंस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का फ्लो सेट करता है. सो हाउ इट वर्क्स, वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द वर्क फ्लोज फॉर द गवर्नमेंट. We are preparing for the legal system for the corporates. We are preparing disputes and the complaints for the citizen. So that's how it works. But everything will be in one centralized platform. Your data will be in one platform. It is not going any other platform or any other tool. It will be in one centralized platform.
Mm-hmm. So what is the process of using, if I were to come to you and I say that I want to avail the services of Jupiter's Justice Technologies, how does it work?
Okay, so suppose if you're running one bank, now you need to go with the workflows for your legal system. Suppose, as an example, if you want to track your legal cases, like there are a lot of states in India. So if you need to have your states to be tracked in every state, you will be needing the manpower around 50 to 60. Then they will go to every website of the court. They will track the cases and all. So what Jupiter's is doing, Jupiter's will give you the system. It will also give you that system will also give you the notification about your cases that, okay, this is your hearing, this is your lawyer, tomorrow is your date. So you can track down your cases and it will give you the faster recovery from the bank perspective.
Right. What makes Jupiter's different?
Okay, that is a very good question. So when I met first time with Mr. Raman Agrawal, and I was asking him the same question, that what makes difference with the Jupiters. So if we are talking about the normal IT companies, they are taking 1 or 2 years to set up just one workflow. But with the Jupiters, we are giving the platform just in 30 to 90 days. Why we are able to give the platform in 30 to 90 days? Because we are having a meta platform approach. What is the meta platform? So in meta platform, you are involving every application in the one platform. Like suppose there are companies for video conferencing, you are using different tool. For documentation, you are using different tool. For tracking, you are using different tool. Now your data is going to their server. Everything is not in the same platform, but Jupyter's everything will be in same platform. And now the DPDP Act is there from it started from last November. So your data should be compliance. Otherwise, there will be a fine. If there is any data breach, there will be a fine of 150 to 250 CR just for one incidence.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah, right. So now that's how you have to be compliance with the data. Your data should be secured in just one platform.
Excellent. And of course, data security right now is a very, very big topic. So,
That's
you know,
true.
the first mover advantage, I'm sure, is a very good advantage to
Right.
have, isn't it?
That's true.
So tell me, if I am an enterprise, तो Jupyter's मेरे organization में कौन-कौन से parts को improve या digitize कर सकता है?
Okay, your legal part. So if we talk about the CLM is the contract life cycle management. It will be improving your every contract. So if you can understand, contract is the lifelines of in any organization. So your papers should be centralized, redlinings will be there, everything will be tracked on time, everything should be there. That's how Jupyter CLM can help you. Second will be as I was explaining, the litigation management system. It will track all the cases for you, it will notify you. Third will be compliance management system. Again, it is a system where if there's any rules and regulations is changing, it will notify you. Fourth will be the ODR, online dispute resolution. So if you can understand, there are a lot of disputes comes under the arbitration. So with the help of ODR platform, you can resolve all the disputes.
Excellent. And dispute resolution, of course, is a very, very tricky thing. But if there's someone to help, that's absolutely wonderful. Which is what Jupyter, I'm assuming, is doing.
Right.
Easing the life of those who cannot find their way through the legal processes or
Right.
probably the justice system as well. Jupyter's Justice Technologies, ladies and gentlemen, अगर आपको जानना है तो you can search the internet and you shall find the wonderful Mansi Omar, of course, co-founder with us. Mansi, thank you very much for joining us and sharing these wonderful, wonderful ideas. That means a lot to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sarthak.